What's up? Y'all can hear me or not? Internet is struggling, man. Y'all can hear me or not? I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. Alright, from the get-go, bro. I got that two-stage PSP. Two-stage PSP, which is looking beautiful. We got 1 minute for the candle to close. Alright. Can you guys hear me? If you guys can hear me, we can go ahead and start because my stream is freezing up. The internet is, I don't know what's wrong with the internet, man. So let me share it in the Discord. Let me share on the Discord, man. So I'm just gonna go disable. I go to refine trader. Where is it? Where's the announcements? That's everyone. Alright. Hopefully that works. Hopefully it'll work. Now y'all can hear better. I cannot do background music because again, yesterday I got copyright for some reason, bro. So yeah, I'll have to sort that out. So we can hear you. Okay, perfect. So let's just go ahead and start, man. From the get-go. By the way, I changed the theme from white to black. Let's see. I missed having like a dark background. So again, let's start with the daily. Let's just start with let's go with the daily. But wait, let me get my trader to the side. Trader while it's loading up, we can go to the daily. Again, what do we got yesterday? Closed higher. But we're leaving behind T swings here, which price ended up going toward to. Wait, let me log into my trader Gotta take that off. Take that off. Alright. Alright. So again, looking at this daily candle, bro, it's just literally just expanded back to the low. So the only thing we can do is target a fair to manipulate and trade it back into the current low of day. Like that's the only option we have. If we see some sort of retracement on YM, that would also be tradable. We got a bunch of fair swings. This is the last one on a lag. We got another one here. The price is almost traded into. So like ideally, when I see like some sort of retracement, new swing forming with like a two-stage cracking correlation or a strength switch, and then trade it back into the current low of day. Even though like price is expanded, but look at the wick, shallow opposing run, so we still have room to expand to the downside. We might even go here today. So let's see. Looking at a 4 hour, I think the high was formed off of an SMT or a two-stage. I don't remember. I saw it on the morning. I don't know if it's true or not. But let me see. I think it's just SMT. Yeah, it was just with SMT. So we got this SMT here. This SMT, SMT2, and we got this C2 closure, and then we start expanding lower. Now, it's a good thing that the 6 a.m. now is the exhaustion candle. By the way, we got 3 likes, guys, and we got 36 viewers. So if you haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would really help the channel grow, and that's how you can support me. So, but just hitting the like button. So again, let's continue. So hopefully by next time I'll turn to the auto monitor, but like 20 likes or 25. So let's see. Now we're at 4. So again, we're just gonna start picking up. Anyways, if we take from high to low, which is that current daily range, this is that daily range, right? So this is that daily range. We almost traded back into the EQ. This one hasn't really expanded. This one hasn't really retraced. YM hasn't really retraced. So ideally, you want to trade NQ, ideally. With that retracement, now we're just rebalancing the range. Probably we might have a second stage here with that gap forming. We got a gap here. Ideally, we want to form like a second stage here with that high. Look at YM. It's almost near the lows. So let's see if this two stage is gonna be the trigger to trade it back into the gap, or we'll have this two stage to expand lower and catch up with YM. So again, this is that daily open, but ideally I just want to see continuation lower. Even though like we traded into a relevant swing, I don't want to counter the daily just because we traded into a relevant swing. So just gonna keep this one blue, probably keep this one gray. Where is it? Here. So yeah, this is that 6 a.m. So based off my data, it says that 50%, again, the probability of 10 a.m. closing with 6 a.m. on the same direction is 50%. So again, there's no edge there. based off the backtest that I have and based off all the data that I collected. So it's a 2 years data. So again, there's no edge there. So let's wait and see. Ideally, anyway, let's go to hourly. Let's see ID. Okay, now it looks good. Now it looks good. Why? Because we're failing to displace above this high, and not only that, we have a two-stage cracking correlation. Now we can anticipate that this being the high at 6 a.m., 10 a.m. might just open and expand lower. So that would be the case for me. Let me see M15. What is it doing? That looks close to good. There's no entry there on M15, M30. Not really. So we'll have to wait for like the hourly and then trade the M5. So that'll be the case for me. Let's see if we get this changing state first. And then yeah, we'll just seek further continuation lower. And that will be the case. If not, then I will try to get YM to trade back into the upside, because we're so overextended. With like a two-stage cracking correlation here, which we do have on a 4-hour. On hourly, I guess. Yeah, on hourly. We do have this two-stage here. But this one is not closing as a swing you want to be trading away from. Look at that. This is not a two-stage I would be willing to trade to the upside. So keep that in mind. So yeah, let's see ES. Let's see what ES is doing. Alright, ES is looking perfect. ES is looking really clean. Is it like a 30-minute entry? Wow, so we got this SMT here. Again, ES is kind of that mid asset. This one is a stronger asset. Mid asset, and YM is the weakest one. Because YM already traded into draw liquidity, ES is the closest compared to NQ. So again, there's another thing we can do is if this 30-minute candle expanding into the lows, what we want to see, we either can take this entry here, but again, the stop will be huge, or wait for a failure to manipulate, and then a continuation to catch up to that same low. Because by the time we're going to take out that low, most likely ES would trade below this level. So that will be the trigger. And we'll see if ES failing to manipulate, so that will be NQ is catching up to that same low. But let's see. And again, looking at low to high, we're already into the AQ of the leg, so if price wants to reverse, we'll do it from here. But again, we're forming a new level, so that might also be the case. So let's just wait. Okay, let me. Y'all can hear me better now. Wait, I think now it might be better. Is the sound now better? Y'all can hear me better now. And we got, oh come on, 54 viewers and 14 likes. 40 viewers haven't liked the live stream already. Come on, go ahead and give it to them. Alright, let's go to CL. CL? Bro, the overnight expansion is just crazy. There was a two-stage PSP here with 1800, and there was a trade here that later on I will cover for y'all. This one. Oh, wait. There's something here wrong. There's something wrong here. Not all of these are PSPs. Not all of these are PSPs. Come on. My internet is tripping. So let me just go to which preset is for oil. So I'm just going to go with preset 3. Now it might work. What? What just happened? Oh, actually, all of them are PSP. Not really. What is going on here? Why does it show PSP all the way down there? I'm not really sure why it shows all these PSPs. Anyways, let me see. Already in queue. Good stuff, man. What's up? There's no 4-hour C4. You trade C5, boss. I know, man. No. Look at a 4-hour, man. This for me is a retracement, so I will be fine with trading 10 a.m. expansion downside. Yup. And this is a C2, by the way, not a C5. Let's see, come on. Let's see if we're going to get that C2 closure there with that two-stage cracking correlation. Let's see. From the, oh, look at that. We also have another two-stage PSP here on RV. Two-stage PSP away from the high of day. This one also is a PSP. Nice. Nicey. Y'all can hear me? Is the internet working good? Wait, let me make sure everything's working good. I think it's not working good. Let me make sure. Oh, my voice is too low, bro. Shit. I think now it's better. Now it should be better. Holy shit, bro. My voice was too low. Anyways, NQ. Let's see if we're gonna catch up to that same low that ES traded into. Also, YM traded into that low. So hopefully we can get a trade here on NQ. I'm also looking at CL, bro, and RB. RB looks clean to that drone liquidity, to that low. It looks really good. But like the opposing candle are super low, like super weak. If I want to take this one, like it needs to be like a clean, bulky, and opposing candle. So is my stream freezing up? Okay, perfect. Good. All right. Oh, bro, there's a lot of delay, man. Holy shit, man. We got like, I don't know, 20-second delay, like 30 seconds delay or something. Anyways. And let's see if we're going to reverse. If this 4 hour is going to cause price reverse, because it seems like we might have a 2-stage PSP like that. And if we do have it, that's going to be interesting to trade back into the high of that 6 a.m. candle, trade back into the range. 30-minute. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we're going to get. So far, PA is a bit trash in terms of lower time frame. We're seeing like breaks lower, but it's just like, yeah, I don't like where like the highs are so close to each other. Like I want to see expansion. Mic keeps cutting out. Shit, bro. Shit. Let's continue to, let's go to gold, man. Let's go to gold. I'm not gonna trade gold. There's no trade on gold, man. Just expand. And by the way, if you guys remember that strength switch that I talked about yesterday on stream, Garrett posted it and said it's a strength switch. So pay attention to stream, and y'all will learn a lot of things. So yeah, when I asked most of y'all yesterday, said there's no strength switch. So yep. So I'm probably not gonna trade gold today. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna trade gold. It's not cutting now. It's okay. 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 So let's just continue. The only thing I don't like. So the only thing I don't like about NQ is the fact that I'm trading within a bullish candle. That's like the only thing that I don't like. That's why like I wanted that second stage here, so I can be trading the C2. Well, let's see how the hourly closes, and then we can see if we can frame something in there. Okay, M5. So like if you go to M5, it just, was it the M1? No, it was the M3, right? Yeah. So the M5 is just a lot cleaner. So I might just go to M5. We got this CISD here, now followed by another one here. And as you guys know, I hate like when we trade back into order blocks, and then we have that propulsion block. I hate to trade away from propulsion blocks. I like to trade from gaps and highs and lows. But let's see. Again. Again, similar case on oil. Again, one is expanding, one is retracing. If you really look from this swing to the high, this is kind of the AQ. And if you look at the daily range, this is the 1800. So ideally, hopefully we can form some sort of 2-stage here, form a new swing, and then start expanding higher. That would be perfect. Or we might form a second stage here. After trading back into the gap, we form a second stage, and then we trade back into wherever that was formed in there. Because now we just formed a new invalidation level. So I wouldn't really be willing to trade into that gap without having a level to the left. So for example, this is the gap. I need to see this, and then that second stage to trade into this level. Let me check if I can find any good song. So I can put in background music, but it has to be non-copyright music. Yesterday I got a bunch of, let me show you, a bunch of copyright claims, so I don't know, man. It says on YouTube that it's not, that it's no copyright, but when you use it, you get copyrighted. So I don't know why. 30 minutes. Alright, it's flipping, that's good. Just take that off. Take that off too. Take this one too. Just gonna leave behind the 6 a.m. Yes. It did trade into and draw liquidity. 20 minutes? Do we have like any two-stage here or not? We did, shit. We had the strength switch here. From stronger to weaker. Look at that. Wow. Did not really pay attention to it. From weaker, stronger, to weaker, to stronger. How you confirm it with lower time frame change in state? You can go to the draw. That was a clean trade. That I did not really pay attention to, so. Let me see. What order would you watch? Bro, just watch. Whatever's online, just watch some. My stream keeps getting interrupted by adverse. Is that new? What the fuck? What do you think for long? By advertisement? What do you mean? My stream keeps getting interrupted by ads? I'm not running any ads, bro. The channel is not even monetized, I guess. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's not. I guess it's not yet. So I don't know. What do you think for long NQ this session for our two-stage? What do you think for a long NQ this session for our two-stage PSP? Ideally, I want to take shorts, bro. Ideally. But let's see. Now that ES kind of triggered the level, now we can... Oh, look at that. Now we kind of triggered the level. Now we're opening up with a new hourly candle. So let's see. If you really look at it, in terms of the 4 hour, ideally I want to see a second stage. If we get a second stage PSP here, two-stage, with like a clean swing formation, I could be willing to trade back into that 10 a.m. high, especially with how far it is from the high. But other than that, yeah, we don't have a swing, so I just gotta wait there for a bit. And this SMT is not valid for me, by the way. This SMT. It's not that valid for me, so. This is like a minor strength switch. It is a strength switch. Let me see. We have a strength switch here. I just paid attention to it. Alright, we're friends to this place above the high. Let me take off all these. Oh, wow, get it back. PSP. Let's see why. I'm just gonna put an alert here to get notified when we get that two-stage PSP there. Okay, we're failing to see ISD, which is a good sign if we want to take shorts. So let me set M15. How's the M15 setting up? Not really the cleanest so far. No cracks in correlation, no SMTs so far. So just gotta wait. Just gotta wait for a minute. We still have to wait here for a bit. Look at that. We did trade into the draw. Wow, perfect. That was really clean. This two-stage PSP here was really clean, but unfortunately probably couldn't have gotten an entry. Yeah. No entries on the way down. I wouldn't really be willing to take this M3. I wouldn't take it. So maybe the M1 could have been a bit cleaner. Yeah. Other than that, let's see. Let's play some background music. Desktop audio, take it off. Take that off. Okay, no desktop audio. Okay, good. A minor turn switch here. Again, this turning from stronger to weaker here. But let's see. I don't like how it's closing, bro. I don't like how price is behaving right now. So that's why I'm waiting for a bit here. And let me just go with the TTFM bearish because this is like a cheap spot for. Wait, is it for? Oh, no, it's for the can. Okay. So this is that cheap spot for price to continue lower. To kind of form a new swing, but yeah, I just don't like how it's behaving, man. So let's see. Let's wait. So we got that minor turn switch again. This is going from stronger to weaker now, but again, it's still not something I would really put money on. So just gotta wait. Damn, that looks really clean. To be honest, this reaction looks really clean to me. Yeah, at least gonna go to this low. But if I do take it, I won't have enough RR to get 2R, so that's why I would not really take it. So, alright, we're getting that 2-stage, perfect. So now, let's see if price is gonna start retracing back, or just gonna dump. Because YM traded into almost below the low, not yet. Okay, I gotta wait for a minute. Ideally, I wanna see YM trading below this low, to form that second stage PSP, to then see if price wants to reverse. If it wants to reverse, it will do it from here. If not, I will take the intercandle changing state and anticipate the SMT break. So that's how I would really go about it. Where is the music, bro? Give us the... No music, man, for a day. And because... Copyright, man. I got copyrighted yesterday. Every day I got copyright. I get copyright, so... Look at that. Let me put the... Every live stream, man. Every live stream. Look at that. Marsh. Copyright. 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 This is yesterday's stream. So, yeah. I can't. Enough of copyrights, man. So, I have to find... I mean, like yesterday we searched for a new one, and we tried to put it in, and it's a non-copyright music, but still. I don't know why YouTube gives it for... Use and... But they're bad. NCS songs, and I have to download a lot, bro. I have to do at least like, I don't know, 20 to be able to loop them. Or let me see, like a long formatted one. Let me see. NCS. I think this is copyrighted, bro. I don't know, man. It's called like non-copyright sounds, but I don't know. Yeah, like it's like one-on-one. I don't know, bro. Nostalgia childhood sounds. That's a good one. I don't know, bro. I have to do some research there. Because, yeah, I'm getting way too many copyrights, so I cannot really handle it anymore. Just beat the box. If I get any 15 practical until the longs in NQ next 15 minutes. At least wait for 30 minutes, bro. Wait for 30 minutes. Look at that fair swing on YM. So just wait. Just wait. The NCS, bro, you can use. We got also this one, like no royalty free, no copyright music. So let's see if they got like any long format one. So just gonna go with the... Yeah, they're all like 4 minutes and shit. So, oh, this one's like 41. That's good. Let me take that off. All right, we're flipping now. Let me see. Now we're trading. Now if we want to see that CISD, now we can anticipate we're gonna trade lower. But I gotta be aware of that low, by the way. So bro, we have SMT and 4-hour lows in Q&A. Yeah, bro. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna take longs just because we have SMT at the downside. Does YouTube tell you the issue with? Yeah, bro, I do. And I also, there's something on YouTube where you go to that copyright claim and then you tell them to erase the song from the background. Like whenever you're talking, to just erase the song, and they did. But each time they kept coming in with like 2 or 3 songs because the stream goes for like 2 hours and each one's like 3 minutes. So at least they play, I don't know, like 40 songs. So every minute you gotta start erasing songs and stuff. So yeah. Let's see. Now I want to see that 30-minute. If this 30-minute candle closes bullish, that would be really clean. Especially with ES. Let me see if we're still holding that 2-stage. Not really. We're not holding 2-stage, but we do have like this SMT here. Not here. This one. This one here. So that would be like a spaced out SMT, but I don't really want to trade away from this low, man. Like ideally, if I want to take longs, ideally I want to see price confirming this order block here. That's like the bare minimum if I want to take longs. So once we get that, that would be good. If not, then yeah, I would just anticipate the SMT to fail, and then we're gonna go ahead and thump to the lows. So that would be the only case for today. RB again. Ideally, I want to see a new swing formation from a gap, which I don't think we have on M15, or might have one. Not really, like we did. We do have a gap now. Wait, let me turn off that background music, bro. Come on, stop. So again, ES, anticipate the SMT break or the continuation higher, because it's like a both-sided narrative, but I'm preferring sells more than longs. That would be really the case, with anticipation that we're just gonna keep continuing lower, and this 2-stage PSP might fail. But if we do end up holding on YM, and if I want to take longs, I want to take it back to this gap or this gap. That would be like a quick, nice move. But like it looks a lot cleaner. If I want to take it, it looks a lot cleaner on YM than how it looks on NQ. So why? Because I like the one that kind of sweeps. So I always like the asset that sweeps. When you have the asset that sweeps, that's really good. And especially with like a failure to displace below and a 2-stage PSP. And look at that. No gaps on YM. Even though it's oh, this is ES, sorry. Even though like expand lower, there are no gaps 30-minute. Let me see if there are any gaps. Nope. So that would be really clean to go. Like that would be a one-sided move to the upside. But what I'll need to see is the 2-stage PSP. If I want to take this reversal, and not at least an hourly swing, or I want to see like this C2 confirm. Like this is an ideal swing formation. This is what like T-Trace calls it, like a ideal swing formation. I think it's an ideal swing formation when the C2 confirms the order block too. But I don't like how close it is to the low. So yuppie. We got 75 viewers. What's up? It's been a minute since I had like 80 viewers or 90. So what's up, everybody? How are y'all doing? So don't forget to thumbs up, everybody, if y'all are here. And I'm sure we're gonna get some beautiful trades here, and hopefully we can manage to get some background music sorted out. So we have that 2-stage PSP. Not really an SMT fail. Sorry guys, my mouth is getting used to saying 2-stage PSP. So we're getting that SMT fail, but again, I wouldn't really take this one, bro. It's like 2 down on the leg. Yeah, it's like too much. Maybe like take CL, like take silver instead of. If I want to take this one, if I want to take this short, I would rather take it on silver and take it at this low than on gold. There's nothing really here to target on gold, so. But there's no strength switch. This was the weaker asset. This is like it's putting that lower low. This one is putting in the higher high. But again, there's no strength switch. Ideally, I want to see some sort of strength switch on silver. That would be perfect. From this gap, that would be really clean. So now we put it in the higher high SMT. We want this candle to close, and hopefully we can put in that SMT lower. That would be really clean. That would be like an ideal move to the downside. So, oh my god, bro. The stream is this stream breaking up, guys? Is this stream breaking up? If this stream is breaking up, let me know in the stream, okay? And let me know in the chat. So, because it says here, YouTube YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. So let me know, guys, if there's any delays or stuff like that. So let me know. And I have to change my VPN as ASAP, bro, because it's really fucking me. So I have to search for a new one, because this one is just like causing a lot of trouble. So each time I gotta like turn it off and turn it on and just struggle a lot. So I gotta find a new one. So again, so far so good. We're having that two-stage PSP. Ideally, like if we see this, oh my god, that would be really clean. But let's see, we gotta wait for the M15 to close. Seems like I might go for the lows, but I wouldn't really take it for the time being, to be honest, guys. Just looking at all these failures and like this range, nah, bro. I wouldn't really like. I'll have to wait for this low to get taken out now. Like, it's good that we're failing to displace above these levels. It's good, but yeah, it's just a bit troublesome. No, okay. Or if I go to here, if I go to live stream. No, okay. Or if I go to. All right, that should be good. I think now it's good, right? What do y'all think? Let me check on my phone, bro, to check if it's good or not. What the fuck? We just started a new stream? Holy shit. I think now it's good, right? Alright, perfect. Perfect. I think now it's good. Okay, so let's continue. And that looks really clean, bro. But again, if we do take out a low before that entry, so let me get my trade to the side, bro. Thank you. Okay. How many points? So let's just go maybe like 70 points. Around 70. Okay. But I don't like this is like a that's like a B plus trade. But like on ES, it's a lot cleaner. Why? Because now that SMT is breaking. Like, look at that. We put in the SMT. It caused the retracement. Now this is that failure, and this is kind of that signature that price wants to continue lower. But I don't like the fact that NQ is so close to that journal liquidity, to that low. Like, that's the thing that I don't like. It's like we're so close to the low, so you might just get tagged in on trade, and then sweeps the low and then takes you out. This is literally what happened to me on YM. I think last Wednesday or Thursday. I did not really pay attention to that journal liquidity that was there, and yeah, I just took a free L. So later on, I will try to go there and teach you guys a lesson, so you guys also can learn something from there. So, does it work now better? New. Hi, share your email ID. I'm sending you a royalty-free track for you to stream. Thank you, my brother. Just try short and low of the. Oh, all right. So trade it into the low. I wouldn't really be willing to take a short now. I want to see now. This is the time where I want to see a failure to manipulate. So we gotta wait again for a few minutes here for us to decide if this is gonna be a continuation lower, probably from this gap, or we're gonna start reversing. Because now, like, this is the only level we're gonna reverse off of within that leg. So, as I said yesterday or on Monday, I forgot. Yesterday is Monday. What the? When we expand, there's nothing really here to reverse off of. We form a level to reverse from it. So, yeah. Let's see. Let's see if we're just gonna expand lower. But that looks clean. This fair to displace above, that's really clean. To that low. That's cinco. And we got 40 likes and 84 viewers. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Unfortunately, there is no background music today, but tomorrow I'll make sure there's one. So, yeah. Or you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go now to YouTube and download one song which will keep looping the whole stream. At least there's something. At least there's something in the background, because now I have to talk a lot to keep the energy moving and stuff on the stream. So let me go. NCS. Non-copper. Okay, let's see. Let's vote for one. Damaged. Let me make sure, bro. Let me make sure. No copyright free music for creators. Download and use this track for free in your next video. Okay, perfect. Search tracks and artists. Let me see. Oh no, that's oh that's not good, bro. Oh my god, that's bad. Is this like okay? Chill, that's good. Chill. Let me see. No, let's check this one out. Let's check this one out. Let's see if this one's gonna do it. Come on. It's a so-so. So-so. Low mileage. No, this is not chill, bro. What the fuck? This is not chill. Is it lo-fi here? No, there's not. Lo-fi. Okay, finally. Hopefully. There's no results. Shit. Bass how? Let's check this one, bro. You know what? Just accept. Hi, I'm shorting S&P. Good luck, bro. Good luck, G. Like, yeah, the momentum is to the downside, but again, like, on ES, there's nothing really close proximity. This one is like a lot cleaner on NQ because we got that low, so. But it seems like we're gonna just take out a low, bro, without us being involved, so. Again, for some people that really wanted to long NQ, just because we had the SMT, it's the SMT alone or the PSP alone is not really it. You need a good framework, you need a good bias, and align yourself with whatever the daily candle is doing. Yeah, because the SMT does not mean. Let me give you a lesson here before. SMT. Oh, it's unfortunate. I cannot really type. I don't know why. Guys. So, okay. SMT. I don't know how to say does not equal. Or just put it does not equal reversal. Remember, SMT does not equal a reversal. Just because you're putting in an SMT here or here doesn't mean price is going to reverse. Because if price will reverse from SMT, then we just have a strategy by SMT. Whenever we see an SMT, we can just take it. So, but again, we can still retrace. Let me see the 30 minute. I think we have a manipulation level there. Yeah, we do, which is this one. And we just traded into it. This one. So even if I was on a trade, probably that's the level I'm going to target. Because why? We failed to displace below it. So that's the level where I would be out. So remember this. SMT does not equal a reversal. Even with the two-stage PSP, it doesn't mean a reversal. Some people, I saw some videos, like some people would just trade like two-stage PSP. Like, sometimes like it'll work, but you'll just be pattern trading, bro. And at some point you'll just, yeah, get a bad losing streak. So get that in mind. Get that in mind, buddy. That in mind, guys. So yeah. Oh, we did get that 30 minute. 30 minute. I think I left my conscience on your front doorstep. What do you guys think about me thinking as the background music? Wait, let's go back to this one. Oh no, this one was bad. Let's go to this one. Let's continue. That's too bad, bro. Bass house. I'm never shorting on the 1 minute. You should not even be on the 1 minute. That's the first thing you should start with. You should never be on a 1 minute to even short or long, bro. So, yeah. Let's do house music. That might be good. Let's see if there's any good house. Oh, my birthday, 26th September. Damn. So I think we're gonna go with this one, guys. Oh, I'm sorry, but it's a shit song. I'm sorry. Let's see. GxT 2 stage on a 30 minute 2 stage. Where's that 2 stage? Where do you see the 2 stage, bro? Where do you see the 2 stage? I don't know where's the 2 stage for you, bro. Look at that. We're either into that manipulation level and we're starting to see that retracement, so. Yeah. So I couldn't have taken that trade anyways. Like, with that closure here, with stop there, like, it's just a humongous stop, so. I think we're just gonna go with this one. Oh, this one's good. Okay. Okay. I like this one. Wait. I might show some private folders, so let me just download this one. Okay, so this will be the song. Hopefully, they don't have to say anything about it. Wait, let me check. Let me go to history. Let me stream back the screen. Hopefully, they don't have to say anything about what the cancel. Wait, let me check. So let me see if I have just to write anything on the comment to be able to use it. I think I should, right? I think I should. Wait, let me make sure. I think I should. So if you go to NCS, I think you just have to put their names or something in the description. So I'm just gonna go to that song home, Robbie Mendez. So just gotta make sure that I can use it, man, because I don't want to get copyrighted again. So okay, copyright free music. Let me see. No copyright. Stream here, download. All I see is copyright free and safe for you to use on platforms like Twitch. You may not use in a track for the purpose of creating a listening experience. Music video where the music is the primary focus. Please refer to our page. How to create it. When you are using this track, please add this here in the description. Okay. Boom. Now we good. Okay. Wait. Is that the reason why I'm getting copyrighted on the other music because I'm not putting them in the description? That would be fucking insane. Oh my god. So let me just go ahead and pause this media source here. Take it off. That would be perfect. Yes. Then we're going to go ahead and add one media source. Should be new. Add one. So the music is coming, guys. The music is coming. So let's see. So you gotta be here. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna press OK. Then we're gonna press this one. Take that off. And then we're gonna go to the description of the video. Oh wait, am I still okay? We're gonna go to the description of the video, which is here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here. And now that should be good to go. All right, save. All right, we good. So now all what I gotta do is put this one on for y'all, and we're gonna go ahead and do properties and then loop. Okay, we good. We go with this. We go with beatboxing. Okay, let's continue. Now the music, we got background music on. So yeah, I think we're good to go. So let's see. Holy. I like what I'm seeing, by the way, on CL. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm liking this two-stage PSP with this 30-minute swing. Oh my days, bro. It looks really good. Also that M15 swing. It looks really good. Damn, that's clean. Let me see the 3-minute. That's ugly. All right, so traded into the low. The idea was correct, but the execution, we couldn't really have taken it. So also on YM, there's literally no way for us to get in. So yeah, just gotta wait for a new phase of price to kind of position ourselves lower. But I think we're still gonna go for that drone liquidity. Let's see. So because look, just ES is like really just disrespecting the gap, just respecting this BSB, pure disrespect. So yeah. Ideally, expansion, forming a gap, forming like a weak candle, second stage, or just SMT fail, go for the next drone liquidity. That would be good. That's gonna be good. So that's gonna be the trade for the day. GC. There's nothing really going on in GC. Ideally, I want to see like silver turning weaker, but it's still, bro, still a stronger one. So yeah, like put it in a higher low and also higher high. This one is putting in a lower low and lower high. So it's still the weaker asset. So we gotta wait. Y'all can hear the background music or not? Oh, I think I gotta read them. I gotta put it here, bro. Bro, don't you? IPDA, look back. IPDA? What does IPDA mean? IPDA mean? IPDA mean? I don't know what does it mean, bro. Interbank price delivery algorithm. What the fuck, bro? Bro, don't you use IPDA look back? No, bro, I don't need this. It's like the first time IPDA. This is the first time no one did. Nah, bro, I don't. What the fuck is this? Let me check. What is this? InnerCircleTrader.net. What is IPDA Interbank? It's all about the names, bro. When the price creates new 20-day highs or lows, the next step is to wait for liquidity to be taken. This often occurs as false breakout beyond the previous 20-day. To execute on this move, switch to intraday chart and observe time. Okay, let's go to. Oh, bro. No, I don't understand that. All right, seems like now we might get a strength switch. By the way, it seems like we might get a strength switch now. No, come on, gold. Hey, silver, don't I go? Hey, listen to my word, bro. Listen to me. Look, wait. Okay, silver, please, do not take it. Please, okay, good boy. All right, we're getting that. See, I'm taking it to the low, to the downside. We're getting 2-stage here, by the way. We're getting a strength switch. Look at that. Put in that lower low, a higher high. Now let's put in the higher high. So if we take this one again, copy it, we'll paste it there, like that. But again, the minute we're gonna break the SMT, the idea is invalid. So that would be a trade that would absolutely take. But bro, the stop would be huge. Let me check. I want to go for, like, ideally I want to secure this high. All right, it gives like, I think $400 risk or 300. Yeah, it gives like $400. So. All right. Oh, where's my Spotify, bro? Now? Oh, wait, let me make sure I'm not sharing desktop audio. Okay, that's good. All right, it seems like we might get that SMT break, bro. If we do, yeah, no trade there. If we do get that SMT break, again, I'm just going in with the idea of like this M15 2-stage. That looks really clean. 2-stage PS. Okay, it's gone. So we're not getting the idea there. So we just gotta wait again if we're gonna get another idea or not. Yeah, there is that 2-stage PS here, but again, it's like now like some people would take this. No, bro, why would you take this one? It's just like, for me, it's just a pattern trade. All right. We're failing to displace below. Let's see where ES is at. Wait a minute. The 90-minute just closed. Let me see how the 90-minute closed. We're not getting any. Yeah, we're not getting SMT with the 90 minutes. So yeah. Alright, so now we gotta wait for at least another half an hour. Let me see HO. Did not really look at beautiful HO. Oh, you're not beautiful. I'm taking that back. Alright, so we have also a 2-stage PSP here. Let me see for a minute. This, like, look at RB. If you go to RB, straight and lower, this one's straight and higher. Or it's just a range bound market, so. This one is still weaker. It was weaker. Still weaker. No strength switch there. Music a little loud. Alright, so you'll have to wait, bro, for like, I don't know, 2 minutes for it to update. So now I just updated on the software. So now I'll see your message after 2 minutes. Man. So once you guys hear this comment, so this is the time for me. 33:41. What time is it for you now? On a stream. What's the time for you on a stream? So once you hear me saying this, oh shit. Okay. How can I put it? Okay. Once you hear me, you just type 100 so I can know like the delay between us. So okay, from 34. Once you get 34, I don't know how to count the delay, bro. My math is not math in there. All right, forget about it. That's what I'm doing. Wait, let me check the stream on my phone, bro. Alright, the stream, like, but oh my god, bro. We're sitting at 32. What the fuck? There's 2 minutes delay. Holy shit. Holy fuck, bro. It's like a 2-minute delay. Holy shit, bro. Shit, bro. Do you buy songs? No, bro, I don't. We just I think you just I think you just joined the stream, bro. We just got this one plugged in right now. It's a free non-copyright music, so let's see. Let's see what we're gonna get. Bro, the delay is crazy, bro. What the fuck? How can I look at OBS, man? Look at OBS. Look at the internet on OBS. Let me make it a bit smaller. Look at that, bro. So you guys see. Oh man. So I'm sorry guys for that. I'm really sorry. Like usually like 15 to 20 seconds delay, but bro, now it's like 2 minutes, so yeah. We had like 80 viewers and now we have 50. So 30 left just just because of that delay. Alright, so again, NQ, which is the stronger asset, is expanding lower, leaving a gap behind. So that's good. We might get an SMT fail and trade it back to the downside for a better continuation. Failure to displace, CISD, gap with proper lower time frame PA. 3628. Oh, 34. What the fuck, bro? Shit. It's like almost 3 minutes. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Like, that's like 3 minutes delay. Holy shit, bro. That's too much. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's like too much. Shit. What the fuck? Shit, bro. That's really fucked up, man. Shit, bro. Let me write a message. How do you get a good framework for a trade? How I do on live streams? Can you put the link for Discord here? Yeah, for sure, buddy. Go. What is it called? Where is it? 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 Invite server. Copy. Boom. 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 Bro. It's really bad, bro. This delay is really bad. Are we gonna get like a second stage here on RV to become stronger? That's gonna be really good. Alright, we gotta wait now. Shenzai, we have to wait. Alright, we close the gap on NQ. Seems like we might actually be going to the upside now. We're failing to this place. We don't have any PSP or no SMT. It's just, yeah, no SMT. So it's a weaker reversal. Even if you want to get like trader upside, there's no SMT here on ES. Like the only SMT on my form is after the low, after the stream, not after, not after the stream, after the swing. What is it called, bro? Stream might be delayed, but chat isn't. Oh my god, bro. Stream is just, unfortunately, bro. I don't know what's wrong. Is it my, I don't know if it's my driver or because the Wi-Fi is half gigabyte. I don't know if it's the, let me check. You know what? Let me try to do a split test from using the VPN on my phone to see the internet speed. Let me go to speed test. check it out. Let me see. Nah, bro. Even on my phone, it's good. Yeah, bro. Shit, bro. My phone is like 350. So I think it's just my laptop. Yeah, 350 for download and upload. 89, 90, 92. So it's a good one, bro. I don't know. It's just my laptop then. So just Are you? Try StreamYard. That's a good one. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Easiest live streaming and recording software. Let me take a pre-sample of the video. Okay. Next stream would be with StreamYard, so we can try it out, and hopefully it will work. If not, then I don't know if I need to update. Let me check if I need to update OBS. Let me see if there's any. Let me see if there's any update or stuff like that. Stream. Hotkeys, exhibit. I'm not really sure where to check. Yes. Anyways, yeah, bro. Because the stream is like lagging, bro. It's just fuck's sake. Like, look at that. Like, look at that, bro. Oh man. Oh, we have the strength switch. Don't make me. I don't know why. RB. Okay. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. This looks clean. This is good. This is good. This looks interesting. There's no PSP here, but there's that two-stage strength switch after Elo got taken out. So now we're just gonna anticipate that we're gonna go into at least this launch reverse, and I might go to this slot here. So my entry is a bit not the best. So I'll try to wait. Let me try to do something real quick. Let me close in. And wait, put the limit here. We'll give to R. Yeah, it will. Okay. How many points? 74, which would be constant 1.68. So it's gonna be risking half of this, 500, 250. I'm gonna go with. Okay. Should I get it? You know what? You know what? Okay, I'm done. Let's see. Let me see what price I got in at. $52. Where's 52? Oh my god. Good fail. I got filled here. Because I closed the ear, I wanted to get 2R, so let's see. Something you know. I wanna be sick of time. And you know what's good about like having a delete stream, bro? Bro, now that I'm on a trade, there are no chats like, oh, close, open, is it why you took the trade? It's really good in terms of like chat. It's really good. Like, you feel like you're just trading by yourself. You're gonna make easy decisions. When you get like all the opinions, sometimes just, yeah, bro. I think I'm going with OBS from now on. Yeah, bro. I'm just gonna stick with OBS. Fade away, fade away, I nigga fade away. I don't like how it's moving, to be honest. Let's see. Thank you. All right. Now I just want to see price expanding lower, to be honest. Now there's no reason to go back to this. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go. There is no reason to go back to that high. Let's go. All right, stops at break even. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep pushing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Look, look. RB, look. You did us good. You should fucking expand lower. Come on, man. Come on, bro. You ain't gotta take me out of break even. Anyways, like, RB, I want a TP here, but bro, you're not giving me 2R. There's like 2R. Like, even though like this says 2.5R here, but like this is 2R because I went in with the risk of here. So I just got like 1 point extra. So it's not like 0.5 extra. So this is still 2R for me because I was anticipating to go like this. Somewhere in here. So it was like maybe 2.1. But yeah, so it's gonna continue here. Come on, RB. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You ain't gotta do us dirty like that. You know what? I'm just gonna put it above this high. So I'm not losing. You know what? Because as I was like, that's what I wanted to say. Like, now there's no reason for price to go back here. Let me check on the M1. Do you see? Traded back into order block. Now we formed another order block. So this should be protected with all cost. Come on, RB. Come on. All right. Let me bring the charger. Wait. Oh my god. Hey, RB, remember. Oh my god, bro. You want to give me? Seems like I'm gonna get a break even. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get a break even. Oh my god. I got taken out of break even after being up 1R. But it's sorry, it's no worries. So if you guys remember what I said earlier on stream, if I want to take RB, what should I see? I should see swing form on target, whatever that was formed, because now this is the only thing we can reverse off of. Same like here. But yeah, unfortunately, that was the only way for me to get my 2R. So yeah, quick break even there. This is gonna take it off. Gonna continue with our day as if nothing happened. So let me answer a message. The stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. We're recommending you to stream a bit of... Bro, it's not on my hands. It's OBS that is deciding what to do. It's not me. Oh my god. No. Alright. So I'm not really gonna be interested in... Come on, give me a strength switch, bro. Give me a strength switch, come on. Come on, we need a strength switch, and maybe like within this gap. I like. Wait, let me plug. Alright, so now what I'm really looking for is the following. A strength switch here for gold to become stronger. You'll be like, oh, why you want gold to become stronger? And you want to take it to the downside. Just for CL to be able to get to that same low. Because now this one has to turn weaker to at least take out this low. So gold will have to be stronger, but I would still prefer gold. If gold gets stronger. And the only reason is we're within a gap. If you really check, after we traded below this level, there's nothing really here to continue lower from other than this gap. You guys know, I don't like to trade away from auto blocks. Like, yeah, if we form, like, it's the only thing with, like, 2 stage, yeah, of course I'm going to take it. But, like, it's my least favorite. So, we're within a gap now, so let's see. We're going to get something in there. If not, it is what it is. And in, like, 10 minutes, I'm going to take a coffee break, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get my coffee done. Because it's been a minute, bro, since I had coffee, so Yeah, I'm gonna get some. Even though like it does nothing to me, but it's just, I don't know, just love it. All right, let me see what YM's doing. Nothing really. Price is just tripping, man. We got like almost this SMT here. Yeah, we do have this SMT, but it's not really relevant. So we just gotta wait a bit further. Just gotta wait a bit. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's see what we got. Let me see how many subs we have. Like the goal for this one is to take it to 2K. I know it's too much, but I think we can get there. Oh, we're at 1823. 1823. So how many we got? 177. So each day we only have to do like 5 new subs. Double goal, like 6 new subs every day. So I think we can. So if you know your friend, and your friend knows a friend, and a friend of your friend knows a friend, share it with them. Share the channel with them. Tell them, hey, I know a guy on YouTube. He live streams for free. He provides value. No, come on, come learn to trade. Oh man. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and. What's going on to Discord, bro? Oh, my friends are hopping on Discord. Look at that. Do you see? Do you see what's going on here? Do you see what's going on here? All right. Let's see what's going on. Oh, bro. 3. Okay. Ah. There's a game that I started playing. Let me see on Steam. Let me see its name. It's such a good one. Let me go to starting soon. Let me open Steam here. Let me see. Oh, it's updating. So I'll have to wait for a minute. Come on, guys, wait, because I don't want y'all to see like the username and stuff. So I don't care. Oh, I'm already having on Discord, but anyways, let's see. Come on, Steam. Come on, load up. I don't know the name. Okay, so it has to be just. Holy shit, bro! Just come on time. I launched on while it was. Okay, so now we can go to Steam. It's called. This is the game. It's such a good one. This one. It's a demo game, but it's really enjoyable, man. If you guys haven't tried it out, it's such a good one. If you got some friends that plays from time to time, this is like they were like, oh, let's play this. Okay. I was like, all right, let's try it out. And it's such an enjoyable one. So yeah, it's such a good one. So if you guys play from time to time, even though like I stopped playing for a while and then now I'm trying to play again, so it's such a good one. I can deny, why would you? I can deny. I can. Nice like this. Nice like this, I need all of you. Alright, seems like I might not have a trade here, bro. I just gotta wait here for like, I don't know, an extra 15 minutes. You know what, give me a sec, guys. All right, we back. We back. I was on my phone, bro. Let me see. Sub the channel, everyone. Oh my god, bro. My Atom. Oh my god, my G, bro. All right, let's see. So the last thing I'm gonna wait for is like a 30-minute candle to form on GC. I'm looking at 15. 30 minutes is a lot better, but again, we'll have to wait a bit longer here. But let's see. M15, if we have something, I'm not really gonna touch oil anymore. It's already overextended for the day. Like, it just expanded the whole day, so it's time to kind of fuck around for a bit. And ideally, if we want to take continuations, I didn't want to take longs. So for the time being, we have nothing there, so just gotta wait. CL, there is nothing really setting up. We already traded above the high. Not really, we haven't really traded above the high, but yeah. The only thing we can wait for is, let me go to hourly. Why am I looking on my 5? All right, seems like we're just gonna fail into manipulate. YMES. There's no one stage or anything like that. So again, we just gotta wait. There's nothing real we can do for the time being. So other than waiting. So, oh man, it's a bit unfortunate that the stream is really delayed. So let me check. I think it's not that delayed now anymore. It's not that much. Now it's like 20 seconds, right? Is that true? Is that true? Let me see. I think now it's a lot better. Yeah, like now when I'm talking, I'm checking the stream to the left side and it shows gold. So at least for like 30 seconds delayed, or like not how bad as it was. So do you think we can expand lower at this point? Less likely, really less likely. But again, I still can anticipate we can get to that level with like proper framework. We can still get to that level. So yep, that's what I think. So let's see. That would be interesting to see if we're gonna get there or not. So, but ideally, I want to say clean swing and target whatever that was formed. That would be the ideal scenario. So let's see if we can get that or not. Yuppie. All right. One sec, guys. Give me 2 minutes and I'm gonna be back. What's up, man? Sorry it had to be that long, bro. Shit, man. Holy. There's nothing really here. Yeah. The only thing we're gonna wait for is like this hourly swing. Let's see if we're gonna get a second stage there. Alright. So far we get this PSP, which is a good thing. Let's see what's going on with YM. We're getting a C2, bro. So let me see. That looks clean. That looks interesting, to be honest. I'm actually open to taking this. I will be actually open to taking this and go for the highs. For this one, like to go back for the AQ for that range. That would be a trade that I might be taking. Let me see. Oh my god, bro, the delay. So y'all, I'm talking now, and y'all see the stream is still paused. So it's on the stream, bro, not me. So all right, so let me see what's going on here, bro. Tips: learn how to send the chicken. What the fuck is this? All right, so yeah, so I would actually be open to taking this long. Yep. Let me see what's happening with RB. I really want to see what's happening with RB. Was it a good exit or not? It was. It was. Okay. And something I've noticed on YouTube, bro, like the minute while I'm muted, and when I start talking, I don't know if YouTube suggests the live stream or something, but like it always kind of picks up by like 5 viewers from the minute where I stop, like where I'm not talking, to the minute where I start talking. So I don't know. They'd be like, oh, now it's 27. Okay, no worries. It went from 30 to 27. Okay. Hello from 3 minutes. Oh man. All right. So again, I will be, as I said, I will be willing really to take this one. Let me see what's. Let me check on my phone. What's the time on stream now to be able to? Oh wait, I gotta put this one to the side. Shit. So I gotta wait for like a minute to then when I check the stream, that would be the present, so I don't have to wait on the stream on my phone to see what time it is to be able to compare. Y'all know what I'm saying? So let's see. 30 minute. Ideally, I want to see like this candle closing a C2, bro, but it's not, so nonetheless. No delay exactly. I typed it just now. No, bro, but I don't, there's no delay on the chat. There's no delay on chat, so that's why. Okay, now I can see. Oh, fuck, bro. Why did I move it this way? Shit. Oh, I think because of that one. Alright, alright. I did not really move it. Okay, because somebody, like, for example, this one. Okay, let's see. So it's 11:11 for me. Let me see what time is it on the live stream to be able to see, like, how delayed the live stream is. Alright, let's check. Let's check the best stream. What? It's not even logged enough. Yeah, like it. Oh, okay. I got no VPN. Okay. It's my problem. What? It's not even logged enough. Oh wow. There's no delay. Yeah, like it. Oh, okay. Listen. Oh wow. There's no delay. Oh wow. So okay, that's good. There's no delay. Almost no delay. It's like 10 seconds. That's perfect, bro. So what time is that on stream, bro? It's 12:13. Yeah, it's exactly 10 seconds delay. Let's go. So we got 10 seconds delay, bro. Let's go. From 3 minutes to 10 seconds. Let's go. Now we're gonna have an extra hour of stream, bro, just because of that alone. Y'all can enjoy no no delayed stream. So 15 minutes CIZ on M15. But again, to where? That's the question. Like, you might take this CISD, but again, does it have a proper profiling? No. You're just trading away from one thing, the low of day, and that's it. And there's no proper target there. So the only thing you can target is like this high. So that's the only thing we can do. So ideally, I'm really focused on gold. I just like the fact that we're just gonna put it in a higher high. Again, you know what we're gonna do, guys? We're gonna go ahead and check the trades that we missed yesterday. What do you guys think? What do you guys think we go for a backtesting session? What do y'all think? We do a backtesting session here. Well, we're still waiting for this to set up. 1 if yes, 2 if no. Come on, let's see. Let's see if we're gonna do it backtest in like a probably might be like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So, well, we're just waiting for this 30-minute candle to close. We can do something else. So let me go ahead and do vote. Add. What is it? Moderator activity. What is this? I don't know what does that mean. Welcome to the live chat. Remember to guard your privacy. Privacy and abide by our community guidelines. I don't know what does that mean, but I'm just gonna turn it on because I don't really know what does it mean. Let me check. Pop out chat. Okay, finally I can pop out chat. Let's go. That's a lot better, bro, than just pop out chat. That's good. Let me see recap. Alright, so now what we do, guys? What we do? So what we're doing, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do, I don't know, is it here? Okay. Backtest or recap. Add options. Backtest. Oh my god, bro. Gonna go another one. Recap. Forget about DS or no. Okay, is it a backtest or recap? Okay, forget about DS and no. Just go with either the backtest or the recap. Let's see where we're gonna go. What we're gonna go with. Let's see. Every day we could do a backtest of previous day or days didn't get in trade. Every day we could do it. Nah, bro, that's too much. No. Takes a lot of energy, bro. So. Just now, I'm too excited because the live stream is back on track. So backtest, we're going with yes. Yes is break and retest. Yes for what? All right, so seems like we're going with the backtest. Let's see, backtest, or you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do at everyone. We're gonna be backtesting. We're gonna. I'm gonna share on Discord. Backtesting at. Let's do 11:30. That sounds good. That sounds good. Make sure to join. Make sure to join us. All right. We're gonna be backtesting on 11:30. Make sure. All right. So we're gonna go with the backtest. Dun 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 dun. Backtest everything. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. You guys should do this. But now it's just because we're having fun. I will not backtest to learn something or collect data. I'll just backtest just for fun. This is just like I want to play a game. So this is like for I only do this for a trace, and I don't even journal that much nowadays. So I wouldn't really be doing it. It's you guys should start doing it because to collect data and stuff. Studio. Let me just put that back. Let me send the chat back to where it belongs. Okay, how can I put it back, bro, now? How can I put the chat back? Shit. You gonna close it? New return? Okay, return. Both. Alright, we'll do it. So we'll do a quick backtest in a minute. That'll be the case. That'll be the plan, bro. Oh, Stromae. You guys know this singer, right? Like the people that speak French and also the Moroccans. They would really know this. Formidable. You guys should listen to this song. It's such a good one. I don't know why I remember it now, but yeah, it just came to my mind. Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable. Alright, so we're confirming the CISD. Now the only thing we can do right now to take that long, we have two scenarios. First one, We'll trade above this high. Fail to reverse. YM, we'll take YM to catch up. Second thing is, trade above. Form a new swing. 2-stage PSP or something. We can trade it back into the high. Trade it away from this 10 AM open, which is right here. Open low. Now we're going to start that expansion higher. So that would be the case for me. 1030. This is 10. No, not 1800. This is 10. Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais formidable. Ah. Alright, so we got that SMT here, but again, it doesn't really signify anything here. This SMT is just, it was anticipated due to the fact that this one put in a higher high, so it's the stronger one. So the logical thing to happen is for this one to get to the high first. Like, this is just, yeah, common sense, so. Formidable. Let me see the M15, bro. Is anybody here from France or can speak French other than the Moroccans that are here? So, watching your backtesting session helps. I am a GxT trader, and watching your backtest helped me in my backtest as well. I'm glad it did, bro. Actually, that 2-stage did end up delivering there. This 2-stage here, that was like an end up delivering, so it took us to the AQ of the range. So yeah, RB is just fucking around. Yes. GC is at 30-minute OB as well. But bro, I don't really look at OBs. Like for continuation, I like gaps. Like, this is the signature for expansion. And how I look at gaps is, I don't know, this might be like totally incorrect. But just from based off what how I see it is, price was here. I don't know, like if you use volume profile or what do they call it? Market depth or whatever they call it. Order flow. That chart that they use, even though that I don't look at it. So there are a lot of orders here that really cause price to push lower. So maybe if we trade back into the same level, and since sellers were interested in here, maybe we can find some sellers here too. Maybe. But as long as these sellers haven't really fulfilled, like closed, I don't know, bro. I want to try to make sense of it, but bro. Wait, mommy. Nice. Come on, we still got 32 viewers and 52 likes. Come on, if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up, we still got 8 likes for 60 likes. So if you haven't hit the thumbs up already, we want to double it. Double it and give it to the next person, just like views. Want to double it and take him to the likes. So we still need 8 to balance them. So just look. We trade 1 or 2, right? We trade 1 to 2 risk reward. We got the views here and we got the likes. So the views should be 30 and the likes should be 60. So we need 8 likes. Come on, if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and do so. Come on, bro. Someone just, like, we try to go for 1 to 2 RR. Somebody just unliked. So now we're going for like 1.95 RR. So let's go to take it to 60. Let's go for 1 or 2, guys. Let's go. Alone. I really want to share this song with y'all, bro, but they'll give me a copyright, so I can't. Let me see how many subs we got. We have. Is it still the same? 23? Yeah, still the same. Okay, somebody, like, for the new viewers here, they just come in and they'll be like, this guy's doing. So let's take this serious. Oh man, I like to laugh. I don't know why, bro. Alors on danse. By the way, for somebody that wants to get TradingView, they're having a 80% offer right now, so y'all can go ahead and go TradingView and get the offer. It's such a good one. Even though Black Friday is the best, but I think this one is also good for Ramadan. So yeah. Alors. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour. C2 formation. We haven't really traded back into the gap. Actually, YM is a bit better due to the fact that there's some room for us to get 2R. So as I said, fair to manipulate, and then yeah, swing, take it back to the high to then reverse off of it, or failure to reverse, anticipating the SMT break on YM. Because if you really check, like you take the high to the low, if we're gonna get the SMT, we traded way above the AQ, right? Traded way above the AQ. So let's see. Ideally, if I want to get an SMT, like price should be here, and this one is here. But like since they still both haven't taken out a level, so I think they'll be here. If NQ manages to get to the level first, YM is gonna be here. So yeah, I would anticipate a SMT break with like some sort of swing or like an SMT fail or something like that. And yeah, for the NQ trade yesterday, guys, it did end up. So we went 2 for 2 yesterday. 2 for 2 in terms of calls, but not in terms of execution. Because yesterday, that trade that I took, look at it, bro. I literally went to TP. So it gives us like this chance to enter, another chance to enter. But yeah, it did go for TP yesterday, but we got a break even. I think here. I think we got a break even here. For what is it called? Oil. We took oil yesterday too, right? Oil. I think that already had TP. I think it did hit full TP, I guess. Yup. Yeah, it did hit full TP. So that could have been also a banger of a trade. We wanted actually to go first here for 4R, if you guys remember, but we ended up closing somewhere in here. So it did actually expand lower. So that was also like a good call. The silver short that I wanted to take, if you guys remember it too. I'm gonna go to oil here. I'm gonna go to silver here. For that short that I really wanted to take, but bro, the stop was fucking humongous. So this one, the stop was really big, so I couldn't really take it. That was like a $900 stop, at least. Let me check. If we go with 900, I think the quantity will be 1 now. Yeah, I'll see. It's like 1.1. So 1.13. So maybe like 850. So it's 1.1. So it's 90. So it'll be like 810. 810. Just going with like a basic math. That'll be like near to 1 or like, yeah, 1.025. So 810. And I risk $400. So that'll be like double my risk. Almost double my risk. So unfortunately. But on gold, man, on gold, it did actually. We had that entry, but I like the. You guys always know, like, I like the asset that sweeps. I prefer the asset that sweeps. But on gold, we did. Price ended up delivering yesterday. Where was it yesterday? It was here. This one. I could have went with the M3. Yeah, this one here. If we really go. Stop. And if we go with the risk for $400. That'll be 2 contracts. Almost 3 contracts. So that'll be like, I don't know, 450 if I go with 3 contracts. So let's go on our 450. That'll be like almost 3 contracts. So if I go with 3 contracts, that would be like a $450 for like a 900. That's like almost a 1K because it's 2.1. So 2.1. Yeah, so that'll be like almost $900. 1K. So that could have been a beautiful trade too. So 3 trades yesterday, bro. 3 calls. 3 perfect calls. Today, did not. This was a trade that I could have taken, man. But I was not on the chart, unfortunately. There was another one here. The draw was achieved. Failure to manipulate. Further continuation higher. But these continuations, I wouldn't have really positioned myself into them. So, this one and the other one. So yeah, that was really it. Now, it's time. What do you guys want us to call that? You know what? We're gonna call this. Wait. What was news? I want to start a new backtesting session. Okay, plus. We're gonna call this backtesting session atom, guys. We're gonna call it, what is it called? Atom. We're gonna call it atom, and we're gonna go with the balance. 100k assets. We're gonna do, let's go in Q. ES. We're gonna go ES. Where's the ES? And we're gonna go with YM. We're gonna go with YM. We're gonna go with this one. So we're gonna go with the random date generator. So let's go with the random date generator. Let's see what it'll do. Let's see. Let's see. Pick a little days. I'm just gonna go with one day. We're gonna go from 2020. We're gonna start from Sundays. That way we can have a start at the beginning of the week. And then we're gonna go get dates. Let's see. The start date must come before. Okay. Oh, wait. Solve it. Alright, so we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna put it 2020. We're gonna put this on 2026. I'm gonna put this on 2026. Just put this one in February. Even though like there's no February soon. But let's see. Get dates. Let's see. We're gonna go with 2023. 2023. So we're gonna go ahead and do initial date 2023 June 25 25th, and we're gonna go to March. All right, create session. All right, so this session has the name Aton. So this one has your name, bro. Wait, I'm trying to set it up. I'm trying to set up the colors and stuff. Everything is there already. Where is the name of the session? Look at that, bro. Look at your name. Let me see the chat, bro. I did not look at the chat. Bro, are you doing the training? Continuing the same stream, bro. Are you doing the training? Yeah, we're just gonna do the. We're gonna backtest for a bit. You monetize your YouTube. Get an ass now at the top. Also, somebody said that, but I did apply. I did apply like a month ago. Not like a month ago, like a week ago, but it got rejected. They said you have, what is it called? Reused content. That's what they said. So I don't know why they're putting it. Yuppie. All right, let's continue. Hey Tom, this is so if we take a loss, guys, it's all on the moderator. It's his name, so it's not me. So let's continue. Oh, again, the stream is delayed, bro. What the fuck, man? Let me check. Oh man, life. Let me check. Formidable. Oh no, it's not. Same stream, new name. Same stream, new name. Wait, did the name change? What? Same stream, new name. I don't know, bro. I did not change any name. That wasn't it. Oh, that's a masterpiece in the making. You're packing a ton of drawings. So avoid. We're gonna do this. Remove drawings. Remove drawings. Remove drawings. So again, we're getting to that 25th. So let's go, man. Let's see if we're gonna take a loss, bro. If I take a loss, guys, as I said, it's all on the moderator. So, and I'm gonna use. You know what? We're gonna vote for a trade. If you guys like a trade or not, and why you guys don't like it. But first, let me put some. We're gonna go with no, not this one. We're gonna go with this one. Let me see. I like what I'm seeing, bro. Wait, M15. I think we're gonna have an SMT fail. Yeah, that was obvious. I guess we have an SMT fail. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Come on, bro. It's too high up. Too high up, and I'm like, come on, bro. If I take this CISD. The idea is gone, bro. Like, if I take this CISD, like, I'm just gonna take, I don't know. Yeah, 34 points. Shit. That's too much. Bro, this album is so good. Alright, so I think we're gonna get that SMT break now. I think we're gonna get that SMT break on M15. So let me see gold, what gold is doing, bro. Let me just make sure I'm watching gold. Okay, seems like we might be having some sort of retracement here. Silver. Alright, silver is it's bearish. Let me go back to true charts. What is going on? What? Wait. I got two indicators here, yeah. Turn off the high time frame candles, man. Rendezvous on. Alright, let's see if we're gonna get a. Hopefully we can get this one. Hopefully. Come on, gold. You got it. Come on, gold. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put one alert here. Another one here. Another one we kind of break below the low. Same for that one. See, I'm not really gonna be trading that one. Alright, so the SMT is holding, by the way. But the only problem is, yeah, if I want to take this entry, bro, like, I will take it from here. Would stop here, but like my 2 hours is gonna be like way up. Just now expecting now, and just hoping that this level will not cause a reversal. I'm just gonna go ahead and expand way beyond the high, which is not logical. So that's the thing, bro. YM. I think we might go with YM here. You know why? Because now we failed to manipulate this level, so we can anticipate at least we're gonna catch up to that same level, and hopefully we can go ahead and just shit a bit higher. But I don't know, bro. That's a bit sus. Not gonna lie, bro. Let me see if I want to risk like 500. That'll be like, so with like MYM, that'll be like 8 contracts. Should I go with this one, bro? That looks clean, not gonna lie, because on hourly from they swing, we have that PSP again, or expanded away from the PSP. The only lever we're gonna reverse off of is like this gap. We almost inversed it, maybe on 30 minute it was inversed. Yeah, now we got an SMT fail, showing that this one is being stronger, even though like it was weaker. So this is a strength switch in its purest form. But I don't like the factor close. But you know what? We're gonna go with like a tiny risk. So 8 is 400, so I might just go with like 2. Okay. Just leave, man. Okay, let's see. So I'm going with like $100, but I got a shit fail, by the way. I got in. Wait, let me see. Almost here, somewhere in here. Yeah. Well, let's just keep it like that. Let's just keep it like that. And we're forming a gap, so we might have another entry. Alright. Okay, good. Nah, bro, I don't like what I'm seeing. So I'm just gonna wait. Here. Just gonna wait for a bit. Let me see. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set an alert here. I'm gonna set a limit here. I'm gonna take off one contract. Should I take it? You know what? I'm just gonna move stop for one contract at break even, and I'm gonna sit the rest here because now we're forming a gap. So most likely the price is gonna return to this piece of price. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put one contract at break even. I'm about to get taken out. All right. So one contract is off, and now, all right. Oh, it took me out from one contract, but I'm putting a position here. Or you know what? I might just put it a little bit lower for me to have the average fill here. But I'm not sure if we're going to trade back there. And what we're seeing, guys, fell into this place. What NQ is doing, fell into this place. The stronger asset is also fell into CXD. Let's see. But like for the time being, this is getting weaker, so. I don't like this song that's playing on my ears, bro. Stop this shit. It's not good. Money on money. Come on, we're filling to this place. Let me do this quickly. Y'all know how I go about it, bro. Oh, this is ES. I was about to call. Alright. I'm in with a few contracts here, but I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Should I get back to trading on TraderVate, guys, on TradingView? Or keep it on the side? What do you guys think? By the way, like this is the thing. This is why I'm talking about it. Because I managed now to trade already. And I did a lot of things, but y'all cannot see them live. So what do you guys think? First things first, I don't like when we don't display. So you guys know what already happened on Trader 8. You guys already know. Let me see what's going on in chat. Let me do this. The daily juice for NSCs is over. Can't get any movement now. You never know, man. True. No, not taking any trade for NSCs. True. Let's see what happens. might go higher, but expecting some choppy shit. With your view, you can record them and use it for you. What do you guys think? We go back to Trader 8 on trading view, or we can put it aside. And I really want to share with you guys like the sound of order failed, but the problem is I play songs, so the minute I will do, I'll get copyrighted for. So I have to stop music and go. So it's just like troublesome. So I'm just gonna go here. Oh, Lil Durk, bro. It's been a minute since I listened to Lil Durk. Laugh now, cry later. You know, we're gonna go with The Voice of the Heroes. Bro, this album, literally back in 2021, I was obsessed with this album, bro. Voice of the Heroes. That was like the first one I knew about Lil Baby and Lil Durk. Voice of the best one. It has to be. I think Who I Want. Yeah. This one is good. It's been a minute since I listened to it. And by the way, if you guys know Black Boy Max, oh wait, let me show you. Y'all want to see a friend of mine? Oh shit, let me show y'all, bro. I'm gonna make him famous. I'm gonna make 30 more people see him, even though like it was seen on Black Boy Max. He's in Chengdu, the city where I live, and he met him. So. Buddies, this is still in Chengdu, so let me show y'all. So it's still in the city where I live. This is the city where I live, and let me show y'all my friend. Let me show y'all my friend. This guy. This guy is a friend of mine. This guy. Yeah, this is his graduation year. This year he will graduate, so he is my, I don't know what they call it, sophomore. I don't know. I was 4th year software engineering. He was 3rd year. Now he graduated. He's 3rd year. So let me show y'all. I don't know if I got copyrighted or not, bro. But you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna go and share it. If they say copyright, I'm just gonna go and take that off. So I'm just gonna stop this one.
That's a good answer though. Chat.
No use in the chat, bro. It's crazy
Undeniable.
on the stream, bro. Crazy.
So what's your ethnicity, bro?
I'm 100% Moroccan.
Moroccan?
Yeah.
How you end up in China? What's your ethnicity, bro?
I'm 100% Moroccan.
I'm 100% Moroccan.
You end up in China?
I'm studying here.
I'm studying here.
I've been in China for like 2.5 years.
Word?
Yeah, he's been like here for 2.5. I've been like, we almost came at the same time, but I've been here for like 3 years. So.
Yeah, like it's really chill, bro.
The vibe.
Yeah, it's not like other major cities, bro. It's not like.
But bro, he moves a lot, bro. I talk a lot, but this guy moves a lot. Like, look at the Black Boy Max. He's just standing. And look at the guy.
I mean, if you like.
I told him, I was like, what? And y'all want to see something, bro? Y'all want to see something else? Wait. Y'all will be laughing, bro. But you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna show y'all, bro. Y'all want to see me? You know what? This is just for the G's, bro. I was in his stream, bro. I was in the background, bro. What the fuck? Let me see. I show speed. Where is Chengdu? Where is it? Where is that full stream? This is not the full stream. Oh, this is the full stream. Bro, I was sitting in class and I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go ahead and. This is me. That's me. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go and see I show speed. This is him. This is me. Let me see. I think I'm gonna be saying no. This is me. I was like, fuck, I'm just gonna go instead. That's me, by the way. I don't know why I'm showing this, but yeah, fuck it. Wait. There was another time. I was like, bro, I swear to God, I was here sitting in class. I was sitting in class and I saw the stream. It was his channel. I was like, fuck, and I'm just gonna go. And I knew the place where he was because I've been here for like 3 years, so I know the city very well. Let me see what YM's doing. Let's go. Let me do this. Let me move stuff so break even. Okay. All right. So, bit of management there.
You said made in China. Fucking
Wait.
Chengdu.
Chengdu, bro.
Man,
Chengdu
what?
is such a lit city,
I
bro.
made the
I think we
fucking
met
news.
later on here. I think I saw him here. Somewhere in here.
Okay.
No, I did not, bro. I saw him.
Okay.
It was somewhere in here. Yeah. This time. I remember I was standing here waiting on the line for him to come out. And I was like, fuck, bro, should I just... Oh, he can't. This is me. Oh, shit, bro.
Man, what the fuck?
Look at me, bro. What the fuck? I'm just like with the guards. I'm putting my arms... For a sec, they thought I'm with the guards, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, this was me. And I was just like, let's see. Alright. Back to streaming, bro. This time I gotta meet with Black Boy Max. Let me see if he's still in Chengdu, bro. I really want to see him. Even though I don't fuck with him a lot, but I just saw his clip when he was with Lil Baby. Black Boy Max. Let me see on IG. Black Boy Max. Let me see. Black Boy Max. Oh, he's not putting in stories, bro. Shit. Unfortunately. Are you in the YM trade? Yeah, of course, bro. I am. Yep. Going for this. So that was a trade. I know if I say no more. It's you I want. You I want. Let's see. I don't know why I took it off. Let me see GC. Okay, bro, I'm liking GC, by the way. Holy fuck, man, I'm liking GC. I'm really liking GC, man. Like, I could have taken it here. Holy, do I want to get in here, bro? Damn, bro. That's sexy. That is really sexy. That's so good. At least the bare minimum. Just want to go for the EQ this range. Like, that's the bare minimum. Let me see. If we want to go with, like, I just want to risk like $200. I don't want to risk anything more. That's 1 micro. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a limit. I'll give it a try. And just because it's on YM, if it does end up hitting, ooh, what? But I'm not filled yet. Let me check. Because I did not hear the voice. Holy fuck, you missed. It ticked me, bro. My TP is here. What the fuck? I'm just gonna close the trade. I closed 2. Let me go. Wait a little bit. Okay, close. Okay, I'm closing. Holy, bro, my TP was here. I did not hear the order failed. It was literally here. He missed me. Thank God I looked at it. Okay, now I can afford to. Okay, now I can afford to take this. You know what? Now it's flipping. I'm gonna go with the gap. So again, up to R. Beautiful one. What time will it be backtesting, bro? We started to backtest, but we had a beautiful trader on YM. So this is the backtest, but we just took a beautiful trade on YM. So this is the time where we're gonna start backtesting. But MGC, I think I'm gonna go with MGC, guys. I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna give it a try. Let me see. All right. I just mark executed here. Just mark execute somewhere in here. All right. Let's see if this one ends up playing out. Let's see. I'm gonna give the market back some money. Let's see. But wait. Let me see the 30-minute. Is the gap still holding, right? Okay, the gap is still holding. All right. That's all right. Even if I take an L, that'll be fine. Let me go to M15. 4 mini. Okay. But I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like it. You know what? I'm just gonna wait for the next candle. Wait, I'm taking this off. I took it off. I took it off here. Let me see. Yeah, I took it off here. I don't like this SMT. I'll just wait for intra candle. I'll just wait for this CIST. So I just close this off or a. Let me see. Almost minus 20. So it's nothing. So I just want to wait. Like because of that SMT. Yeah, I just gotta wait. Just gotta wait for this sec. Either if this candle starts flipping, then I'm gonna take it. Because now this is that low. This is that swing that's gonna start reversing price. Let me just be ready. Alright. Okay. I got a bit of a shit fail, but that's alright. Got in somewhere in here. So now I can just put it at the body of the candle. Let's see if that's a good idea or not. I'm just gonna go for 2R, really. Let me see. Holy, all this happened today. Do I really want to take it, man? This low in the range. You know what? I'm just gonna call it a day, bro. Take this off. I'm taking it off, guys. I took it off. I took it off. We're just too low in the leg, so yeah. I'll just wait. I'll just wait. I'm not gonna really. That was a good exit on my end. NQ. Would it deliver higher? Look at that. Like if you took NQ, that could have. Oh, we couldn't even have been tagged in the trade. So, all right. So a minor W. This was actually. This YM trade was not a full 2R again. This was not a 1K winner. It was less. So it was not really my usual 2R. I risked less because I went with the mini YM, MYM. I was supposed to go with 8 contracts, but I went with a little bit lower. So, yep. I don't know, bro. Y'all want to go for a backtesting session? Shit, I'm feeling now that I took that trade because I wanted to backtest, but you know what? Since people came in for the backtest, let's backtest for a bit. All right, so yeah, that's it. So we're up for the day. Let's go to 10 a.m. We might just backtest 1 week and then call it a day. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go ahead and start recording. Maybe I'll put that as a video. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and backtest 1 week of data. And then I was gonna go ahead and post it on YouTube. So the recording has started. So yep, let's see. So again, as you guys know, I only trade 10 a.m. So again, we got NQ, ES, and YM here. So we're just gonna go ahead and skip it directly to 10 a.m. next day. So this is 2. We need 6. Oh fuck's sake, bro! I skipped this. Starting off strong, like from the get go. From the get go, what you guys can see: this SMT, this SMT. Also, we don't really have an SMT here. Do I have an SMT here? But yeah, that could have, again, we missed that day. It's alright. Let me see if there was like a beautiful trade on M15 or something. Yeah, bro. There was a trade here. But nonetheless, let's just skip to the next day and start from Tuesday. Let's go to Tuesday. Alright, let's just go to Tuesday, bro. 2200. We're gonna go to 1, 2. Alright, so this is 6. We're just gonna go ahead and skip one more candle. Okay. So from the get-go, what do we see? Let's go like one by one. What do we see? Price expanded lower from this high. Again, what is this? This is the current high of week. If you guys really check, this is the current high of week. This is the weekly open / daily open. Daily open. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit it. Once it shows, okay. So this will be that weekly open. I'm gonna go ahead and put some background music for y'all. Let me put Spotify. Alright. So this is the weekly open, traded up. We have that SMT here, just the one stage. We expanded. We're filling this new weekly opening gap. This is like from previous week. But again, ideally, wait, there's an alert on trading view. But you know what? Let's just continue. I don't really care. Ideally, we want to continue trade back into this gap. Fill this gap. What do we have? So far, we have SMT. We have the PSP. This was the PSP, but again, it's not really the cleanest. We disrespected the PSP. No SMTs here. Let me turn off the indicator here. Let me turn it off. Is this session indicator? What is that? Like, why it's not turning off? I don't know what's wrong with this. But anyways, ideally what I really want to see is just a continuation lower. Again, we're failing to displace on YM. We're failing to displace about this high. We have a bunch of failure swings here. So ideally, I just want to trade it back into the range. Like, AQ of the range, trade it back to the AQ of the range or somewhere in here. That would be really clean. Looking on an hourly. We might just get a failure to manipulate, by the way. Especially in YM. Because we still got like a failure swing here. We might just get a failure to manipulate. Especially now we're confirming this CISD here. This hourly CISD. We're having this hourly CISD, which is the current low of day. Open low. There's no really key level here. We don't have any SMT. Like, we do have with this one. Like, we do have this SMT here. But in terms of YM, it's just a... We have this strength switch here. So maybe we can tap back into the gap, 30-minute gap, and continue back to the highs. Or if that's the true reversal, ideally I want to see a strength switch here and then a continuation. So let me see what's going to happen there. So let's see what's going to happen there. 3 minutes. Let me go to M15. No gaps. We have this gap here. I know PSP. Let's see if we're gonna form a second stage PSP. Let me go to the 1 minute. Oh, where? Seems like we might have a 2-stage PSP here. Oh, that's not a 2-stage PSP. Oh, that's not an SMT fail. So we'll have to wait for this PSP to close to be able to confirm. Oh, this was like the M15 closure. Okay. Wait, I could have here. Wait. I could have actually maybe taken this trade here. 10 a.m. Probably not because of the 30 swings on ES. I'm not sure. But now what do we have? 2-stage PSP. Let's see if we're gonna take. Let's see if we're gonna have an expansion and trade back to the gap and then take it. 3 minute. Yeah, it did end up actually playing out. This was the play. But there was no way for me to take it. Did we shoot above the high? We really did not. We still have another high here, so we should not really anticipate price reverse from here. And I think I might just take this one, even though like I'm still late to the party. But you know what? Let's just take this one. I think I'm just gonna take this one. But I gotta make sure we haven't really traded above the high. We did not. I don't know if we did not or not, bro. Is it just a problem in price? So let's see. This is gonna go with like super light risk. Like this is the initial entry with that SMT fail. This is the entry. That could have been an entry, by the way. So what do you guys think about this one? We take it or not? We take this to our trade or not? With anticipation that we're gonna continue higher. Let's see on 915. Do we have any cracks in correlation? Which we don't. We only have this. It's not a PSP really. So what do you guys think? We take it or not? Oh, let me see how far behind this stream is. Alright, we're close. So, what do you guys think? 1 for yes, 2 for no. What do you guys think? Come on. We got 2, 1, 1. So we got 2 C in 1 and 1 C in 2. Alright, so we're gonna take it. So based off the vote, let's see. So we're gonna go ahead and do what is it called? We're gonna go ahead and do the where is it? Editor? Let's go! I can put my own script here. Let's go. Finally. Can I? I can. Let's go. Beautiful. And you can publish. Okay, wait. So for the indicators, I think a lot of people are going to put in PSP. I think there'll be no PSP here. SMT, for example. No SMT. Bro, I gotta be the one who's gotta put the community. Let's check. 50% body candle. BOS plus MMS, body to wick rotation, CISD, CPR, equal highs, fair value gap inversion, fair value gap indicator. Let's see like the PSP. Is there a PSP? No PSP. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the PSP indicator. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna publish now the PSP indicator on TradingView, on Victory Play. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Wait. You know we're gonna help the community with the PSP indicator. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the script. Let's go. No, we're gonna go to... What is it? Where's my script? Wait. Let's put it. That'll make the backtesting a lot easier for me and for publish. I don't know where's this. You know what? I got it on Notion. One sec. I got the code on Notion, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it. All right, we back. Let me go to... I'm just gonna go ahead and do the code right now. So I'm just gonna go with the indicator. This is the latest version, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it. Come on, Lloyd. A new version of Notion is available. Remind me later. Oh, bro, it's not showing. What the? Let's copy. This is like an older version. This is like 1.0.3. Let's see. Let's see if we can put this one on. Oh, where is it? Here. Let's go. Editor. It's gonna go. Publish. The script is not. Before publishing your script, you must add it to chart. Your application will use. Okay, add to chart. Let me see. Please fix the errors. Okay, so this is the one with the errors. You know what? Let me check. Where's my indicator. Let me check how I can get the script. It's supposed to go from here. Open script. Can I open it with the high time frame candles? Oh wow. But it's already okay. What? Where are my scripts? Maybe here. It's not. What? Open script? Why? Wait, guys. I need to get this sorted out. Sorry. Alright, source code. Okay. No, this is Asian session. Oh, no. This is the one. Alright. Copy. Now it should work. Publish. No. Add to chart. Now it should work. Come on. Is this PineScript? It is PineScript. It shows here it's full of... I think this is not PineScript. Run. It's not, bro. So I'm just gonna go at it later on. Okay, let's put the... Let's take a quick L here. Toggle team. Mentor? What is this, bro? FX replay has changed a lot. I don't even know how to execute my trade now. Order. Okay, it's here. Okay, let's continue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the buy limit. And this is gonna go... Take that off. Press it again. Order. Now it should work. Okay, readjust. So let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get taken out or not. And I'm sure we're gonna get taken. I think I have more probability that we're gonna get taken out than it. Wait. Don't tell me. Oh, thank God I'm not sharing the audio. Thank God. All right. Moving stops. Sure. At least break even. You know what? Like, I'm gonna move it here, actually. I'm gonna stop here because we just confirmed this CSD, but I don't like the filler to displace above. We're just gonna move to break even, bro. Alright, got taken out of break even. After taking out these highs, after taking out the equal highs, started trading lower. Let's see what price did again. Alright. And this is what you get. When we check out a new high, what do you require? Probably now, look at that. What do we have now? Probably we have like an SMT filler, like a new swing, or at least some sort of cracking correlation. Let me see. Yeah, we do. Yeah, this is SMT here. But it's not the best. But again, it's still an SMT. NQ was a lot better with that swing forming. And that could have been like a clean expansion. Here, we'll stop there. Anyway, so that could have been like the initial trade. That's another trade that we could have taken, like this one. Now this would tell me that we have a failure to manipulate, especially we're failing to displace below these levels. CISD, we're already aligned with that 10 a.m. So we're just continuing higher. So again, quick break even there. Let's just continue. Again, that could have been a trade. Where was it? That could have been the trade. But yeah, that's another clean entry. But even if you want, like, wanted to take that one, let me see. Could we have taken like a 2R at the highs? I don't think we could. Yeah, there was no possibility. So, yeah. Let's see. I'm actually feeling tired. Damn, bro. Not replay. Let's. You know what? I'm just gonna skip to 10 a.m. Tomorrow is 10 a.m. Just want to trade the first hour, and I might just call it a day. And tomorrow we might do the backtest a lot earlier because, yeah, we're just backtesting due to the fact that we were waiting for a trade. But now, let me see. So from the get-go, what do we have? A two-stage PSP. This is 1800. Look at that. These are the daily profiles that you really want to be trading. Hopefully it doesn't fail. Where's daily open? Again, daily open low. Two-stage PSP, 4-minute low of day. Look at that. We have this high available to target. So that's really, it's going to be, what just happened? This is still a Tuesday. I'm at Wednesday. I'm in Wednesday. You know what? I'm just going to go replay to this date. Replay. Then we're going to go with another 4 hour. Go 30 minutes. Now it works? It works. Okay. So ideally what I want to see now is just a failure to manipulate above this level. Since we traded above the key level. Again, this is the only level we can reverse off of. If we fail to reverse, we're going to go to the next level. I'm just going to go to the M3. I want to see a clean signature. And I want to take this trade. That looks clean. But I'm just going to wait for a minute. Hmm. 2 minute. 2 minute looks clean. 2 minute looks clean with this ISD here. 3 minute. 5. You know what? Just gonna take it. I might take an L here, but let's just take it, bro. Because I want to call it a day sap. Alright. I'm just gonna go with the anticipation with the failure to manipulate two-stage PSP at a low. That's it. I just want to take it. I just want to hit it, bro. Let's take another L. Oh my god, bro. You just went. Alright, no worries. Alright, no worries. So that could have been a clean trade. That could have been a clean trade. Like this profile speaks for itself. That's why you don't really have to do much there. Clean profile. Open low, two-stage PSP from a gap. M15. Yeah, that could have been really clean, bro. Like here, let me see the 30 minute. I could have probably taken this 30-minute entry. Probably could have taken this one. If I was on the live chart, you guys know how I trade now, so. The only time frame we could have entered on is like the 2 minute with this like clean CISD. This one. This one. That could have been like the only way. And that could have been a really clean trade. Like almost no drawdown. Not almost, like literally no drawdown. You hit the market execution, you get failed, boom. 3 minute, not really. Like here, I could probably like put it here and go for 2R. M5, also the M5, like M5 closed all the way up here. So yeah, there's nothing really there to do. But that was a clean profile. 2 minute. That was like the only that was like the only clean trade that we could have taken. So I'm gonna just go ahead and call it a day, guys. I'm feeling like super exhausted. It's been like 2 hours and a half. If you guys haven't hit the thumbs up, let's take it to 60 likes. We still need 2 likes. And that would really be it for the day, guys. Let me see gold. No, wow, gold is actually expanding lower, but I'm already out. I did not take it. Let me see why. It's just ranging. So yeah, gold is doing a job. Yeah. Anyways, that's really it for me today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. That would really help the channel grow. And see you guys tomorrow. So 2 back-to-back W days. Tomorrow is gonna be the 3rd one. So yeah, bro, give me TTFM indicator link. Bro is here. Just go to this one. Press GxT, I guess. Yeah, GxT profile it. This one. So yeah, if you haven't hit the thumbs up, go ahead and do so. That's really it for me today. See you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Adios, amigos.